Welcome everybody, and let's have a quick look at what happened today. This is the start of the week. Actually, this is the end of last week. We already had these two demand areas, and as you can see that when today during Asian session price broke aggressively below this demand area turned supply. You can even go below, and we had this huge demand area from the end of July. As you can see, that's where an aggressive movement happened, and that's what happened today. You can clearly see that this was a demand area charted up last week even. You can see it on the 22nd of August. I already had charted up these two demand areas, and that's exactly where you can see here price doing Asian. This is actually Asian open, breaks below, stays below, retest, and then just goes bearish. This is a clear demand turn supply, and you can even see here how clearly this is a wedge, bearish wedge with aggressive and bearish movement. This was the previous support. The PPL is broken and then retested to go into the bearish side. As you can see, we had another demand area that was clearly broken, so you never had not even a chance to buy over there. So that's where immediately you see that the demand is turning as supply. You never had a double bottom, you never had not even a single rejection, not even a single candle closing above our level, and that's where you can have your demand turn supply for your quick trade. And this is a 40 pips trade, but even here much better. This is actually, of course, still Asian session from supply down to demand, 60 pips. And what happens at demand area? You have a nice rejection, and you have a price that is almost never breaking below your demand area. That's the PPL. You can even place the bottom here at this PPL, but you see that the price never broke below, actually made a double bottom at this intermediate level, 1720, and after that, during London, it bounced back up. So that's where you could have entered your buys, confirming that this is a supply area. You can even see that the price is making higher highs, higher lows. That's the perfect entry because we are seeing that the price is clearly making a bullish path. I don't really feel confident entering here, maybe at this candle, because of, okay, but maybe we are making new lows and we are quite far away from the demand area. But anywhere here, that would have been a nice entry from demand back to supply, even further up. You have even a cleaner entry, which is here. Why is it a cleaner? Because that's the clear break of the market structure. You have these previous rejection points, and as I always show you, if price is in a downtrend, now it makes a double bottom. When it retests the top of the order block, that's your further confirmation for you either enter here or you enter there in order to continuation buy bullish. So that's what happened here, and this is a quick 40 pips scalp, double top, and we are only now seeing that this possibly can now we can be in a range because the price can bounce from here, can retest this level, but that's what happened today with the last week PSAs.